Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a restaurant in the United States. Renowned for its specialty coffee drinks, teas, and a variety of baked goods. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Starbucks, Starbucks, Star, Box, Starbucks. Starbucks has a fascinating history. Founded in 1971 by Jerry Baldwin, Sev Siegel, and Gordon Boker, it has grown into a global coffeehouse chain known for its high-quality coffee and inviting store atmosphere. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Starbucks, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.